My introduction, guys. I am Kamalala Venkateshwarao. Most of the people might know me. Those who doesn't know, this is me. I am working in CloudBiz company as a software engineer. My designation might be software engineer, but I am working on three roles, which comprise of admin, developer, and as well as business analyst. And so it is really a challenging work, and I really enjoy those work as well. And in community, my designation is Vijayawada Developer Group Leader. I lead this Vijayawada Developer Group Leader, and every week we used to have sessions. And I know a few of you guys are attending those sessions very frequently. Coming to the topic, today's topic is build your first app with clicks. So with the help of clicks, I am going to build an app for you. By using Kotlin or by using any other web development tools, it might take 1 hour time to build an app. But within Salesforce, we can build it within 5 minutes. So login of salesforce.com. So I am into my developer edition. So to log in into developer edition, this is the URL login.salesforce.com. So for this session, I have created one developer edition. Its name is Sesha @trailblazer. So here it is, and the password is dot 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 dot. So that's the password. Remind me later. So those who are new to Salesforce, this might be helpful, guys. Those who are already well known to Salesforce, this session might be a repetitive session, or these things are well known for you. But yeah, even you can brush up your knowledge every time. So I'm going to build an application within 5 minutes for you guys. So whatsoever you saw in this Excel sheet, companies, employees, speakers, that I am going to build an application, a simple application using Salesforce. So let me go to setup. So this is setup, guys. I am going to app manager. I'm clicking app manager. So within app manager, we can build some of the applications using. I'm into Lightning experience. So those are used to classic. I'm sorry, this is the way I'm building in Lightning. So yeah, it is asking app name. So my app name is, let's say today is Employer Connect, right? So let it be as Employer Connect. Developer name, it will automatically generated. Description, welcome to Employer Connect people. So I would like to upload an image as well, an icon for this application. So yeah, I already have some Trailblazer community logo. So let I select this logo. So you should have to follow some of the resolutions, but here I am not following. I think the resolution will be 128 cross 128, but yeah, no worries. Even then it will work. So it is primary color hex. I will show you what primary color hex once the app is built. As of now, I want to put primary color hex as red. Might be my favorite color is red, so that's why. So here you can see the preview. This is how our application logo is going to look. Employer Connect with our banner and welcome to Employer. So clicking next. So here it is asking a few navigations and form factors. So there are two types of navigations in any application. One is standard and another is console. Most preferably people use the standard navigation. And also this application is for desktop or phone. I think we have to go it for both desktop as well as phone. We can use this application in both interfaces. So setup experience, there is a service setup, there is a normal setup, full setup of options. So since we want full options, so I want to select setup. And if you want to disable this application to particular people, then we can click enable these buttons. So I don't want to disable as of now. So yeah, I would like to click next. And yeah, this is one of the important areas. So add utility item. Utility item is nothing but the footer of your application. So I just want to add few utility items. So let's say recent items. I want to be in the utilities, and I want notes also to be in the utilities. I want charter in the utilities. Yes. So I got it. So these three will be at the bottom. I don't think so. I don't want charter. So how I want to remove it. So here it is a remove button. I can remove charter. So I am removing charter. I want to say recent items at the first place rather than notes. So yeah, I can move the recent items to the top. And also recent items, by defaultly recent items is available for account object. So, but we are having three objects which is named as companies, employees, and speakers. So for these three objects, I just want to create our recent item. So I will show you once the app is developed. It will be very cool to see. So I just want to select these three things. So let me navigate to company. Yeah, it is the company. So I'm clicking this toggle button. So let me go to employees. Yes, here is the employee. I'm clicking the right toggle button where it is going to select. And let me go to speakers. So speakers is our third object, right? So speakers. I wish I could have search button here, but it is not there. So that's why I'm navigating here and there. I don't want account, so I'm removing account by clicking this left top. Yes. So all the three objects which I want to be in my app are there. So I'm clicking OK. Recent items will be available for these three objects. So how many recent items you want to display? Is it three? Is it two? I just want to display two only. So I click two. I'm clicking next. And what are the available items you would like? So available items are those are the application. Those are the objects which you want to see in your navigation bar. So I want, as usually, company. So companies, and I want employees. I want speakers. So yeah. So I have chosen some tabs for them as well. So company is a desktop. Employees are the heart of the company. So heart. So speakers, microphone. So on a lighter note, I have put these tabs as well for these. And what are the profiles your application want to be enabled or want to be accessed? I want Salesforce administrator, system administrator want to access this application, and standard user I want to access. I want standard platform user also want to be access. I had a marketing team, so my marketing user should have to access. I think I had sales team as well, so I want sales team to access custom sales profile. So these people will be accessing my particular application which I am going to create. So let's click save and finish. Done, guys. My application is finished. Within 5 minutes, I have built an application. So how? We'll have a look into it. So our application name is Employer Connect. So if you can see, Employer Connect is created. So welcome to Employer Connect, and the time is also there. It is a Lightning application. So let's go to our next tab. So yeah, I'm going to set up. Within setup, I am in a second, guys. It's loading. I'm going to app launcher. These 9 dots are not Ludo, it is app launcher. So within app launcher, I'm clicking view all. I want to view all the apps. And there I can see Employer Connect. So this is our application, guys. So whatsoever application you have built, your application will be available here. So I'm clicking Employer Connect. So it is going to navigate me to my application, which I have built within 5 minutes. So there you go. So here you are having companies, employees, speakers. So at the start of the navigation, I click the red color, right, for this application. So here red color is visible to you because I selected red. It's simple, guys. Now we are having company name, location in the companies, employees, company in the employees object, speakers, and topic is there in the speakers. So similarly, we are having all these companies. Employees is having employee name, company, designation, speakers is having speaker name as well as the topic. So these are it is, guys. So what is unique? So you might be having a doubt. What is the unique between this Microsoft Excel and yes. So if you can click a recent item. So I have clicked the recent items of Om Prakash and Tamalal Venkat Sheshgiro. So recently I have used these two records, Om Prakash and Tamalal Venkat Sheshgiro. You can see these both are at the top at the recent. There you can see at the place of recently viewed as well as here you can also see. I can also write notes as well here. Let me write a quick note. I'm clicking new and I'm giving it as my notes as a thing. My note is I want sorry I want to get hired in this tribe. This is my one. I think it should be your note. So I want to add it to my records. Click done. Click done. So there you go. In my notes, it is visible. I want to get hired in my drive. So whensoever you close this application and if you open this application, this will be visible. So this is act as your notes. So if you are in your mobile, you have to hop down to one application to another application to write notes. But in Salesforce, you can do it in same place. So this is it, guys. We have built a beautiful and small app within less time span. So this is how Excel sheet and Salesforce differs. And within this application, we can send emails. So I want to send email to Om Prakash and Tamala Venkateshwara. I can send email by clicking this. If I don't want anyone to be here, I can click delete. If I want to edit something, I can click edit. So whatsoever I can do it here. So yeah, save. So this is, guys. This is a simple application I have built. Those who doesn't have a knowledge on Salesforce, this might be a very useful session for you guys. So on this note, I just want to end up this session. And if there are any doubts or if you want to ask me anything, please go ahead into the Q&A, and I mean, please go ahead into the chat window and you can ask. It might be from this session or it might be anything related to student community as well. I'm very much happy to answer the few questions related to student community also. I would like to pick one or two questions. There is a question called whom can I ask when I stuck with any error in doing trial mixes or modules? From Arvind Reddy. So Arvind, you can go to Trailblazer community groups and there you can post your questions, and there are very much active people who are going to answer your question within minutes or within hours itself. So go to Trailblazer community and you can post your questions there. If you have any doubts, guys, please visit me via LinkedIn or Twitter. I am very much happy to help you guys.